Hello, we are going to do basic algebra today. We are going to try the first 10 questions of this practice SAT questions. The first question. And you all can also grab your pen and see how much time you take to solve these. Y is equals to 4, x equals to 3. Now this is not making any formula. Y cube minus 3x square plus 3y. We can't take anything common. It's not a direct formula. So we'll have to plug in values here. Y is equal to 4. So this would be 4 cube minus 3 into 3 square, that is 9, plus 3 into y, that is 4, minus 2 into x, 3 into y, 4, plus x, that is equal to 3. So this is going to be 64 minus 27. This is plus 12. Minus, this will be 24. 6 into 4 plus 3. So here we have 64 minus 27, that is equal to 37, and then 12 minus 24 is minus 12 plus 3. So it's coming as 25 plus 3, that's 28. So 28 is the answer. Now question number 2. If a plus b is equal to 5, then find a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now in this question we can get a formula. If you see this clearly, it's a whole square plus b whole square plus 2 into a into b. That's basically a plus b whole square. So we can write this as a plus b whole to the power 2. Because we know the value of a plus b is 5, so this is basically 5 to the power 2. That is 25. So E option is correct. Now inside this box x equals to x square minus 5x plus 6, you have to find the value of a. If inside this box a is 2. If you're confused with this box thing, just think of it as fx. Say if fx is given as this and if fa is given as 2, then what are you going to do? You'll simply put the value of a here. If fx is this, that will mean fa will be equal to a square minus 5a plus 6. Same concepts apply here. But fa is directly equal to 2. So that means 2 is equal to a square minus 5a plus 6. We can bring all of these on one side. So 0 equals to a square minus 5a plus 4. Now we want factors of 4 whose sum is going to be 5. That is 4 plus 1 is 5. So 0 equals to a square minus 4a minus 1a plus 4. So 0 is equal to a minus 4, minus 1, a minus 4. So 0 is going to be a minus 4 multiplied by a minus 1. So definitely the product of these two is 0. Only possible, well, at least one of them is 0. So either a minus 1 is 0 or a minus 4 is 0. That will make a is equal to 1 or 4. So D option is correct. Now fourth one, x square minus 3x is 0. Then x is equal to, now this concept is very important in itself. I'll tell you what you can't do. No matter what, you can't write it as x square equals to 3x and then cancel this x and x equals to 3. That is not allowed. Because it cancels out one root directly. You can't cancel variables. You can just take them common. So from here we are going to take the variable x common. Here we'll have x minus 3. X multiplied by x minus 3 is equal to 0. That means either x is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is 0. That would give us x equals to 0 or x equals to 3. So the answer will be A, 0 and 3. Now the fifth question. Here we have to simplify this. We'll see if we can take something common. If not, we are just going to simply multiply. So taking common doesn't seem possible. So we're just going to multiply and see what we're going to get. The first will be, we'll put it in one bracket. 3x into 2x, that is 6x square minus 15x minus 8x plus 20 minus the second bracket, this is 4x square minus 7x plus 12x minus 21. Right, now we're just going to add the like terms here and then open this bracket. So this is 6x square. And here we have minus 15 minus 8. So they're going to add up to minus 23x plus 20. Now, before this bracket, we have a negative sign. So all the things inside are going to turn negative. And this was a x. This was 3 into 4x. That is 12x. Now, this is minus 4x square. We are going to add these first. Then we are going to multiply the minus sign here. So 12x minus 7x, that's basically plus 5x. And then we multiply a minus sign, we have minus 5x and minus into minus plus 21. We can add the like terms here, 6x square minus 4x square, that's 2x square. Then we have minus 23x minus 5x. So 23 and 5 together will be minus 28x. And then we have 20 and 21. So plus 41. So this B option is correct. Now the fifth question. What is the sum of the possible values of A? We are given an equation. You have to find the sum of all the possible values of A. That's pretty simple. First, we'll simplify this whole equation. We'll open this up. So we have 5A square minus 4a minus 3. Now we'll multiply this minus 3 inside. So minus 3a square minus 3a and minus 12 is equal to 0. So here we have 5 minus 3, that is 2a square. Then minus 4a minus 3a. So that should be minus 7a. And minus 3 and minus 12. That is minus 15 equals to 0. Now you have two options here. One is you can just find the possible values of A and then you can add them up. That would be the answer. Finding is not difficult. You just need the factors of 2 into 15 whose difference is 7. Or if you don't want that, you can use the quadratic formula. But we also have a direct formula to find the sum of the roots and product of the roots. Sum of the roots that we generally represent by alpha and beta. So alpha plus beta is minus b upon a for sum. I'll write the product formula also if you need it. Alpha into beta is c upon a. Okay, this is the formula for sum of the roots and product of the root. A, B, C are definitely A is the coefficient of x square, or in this case A square. B is the coefficient of x, or in this case A. And C is this constant term. So alpha plus beta, sum of these roots should be minus B, that is positive 7, upon A, that is 2. So it's 7 by 2. That is equal to 3.5. Or you can just find the value. It's really not difficult. Just like we factorized in all the other questions, you just factorize this, splitting the middle term, and you'll get the answer. Now let's go to the next question. Which of the following statement is true? Now first one is definitely not true. And remember, this is not true. A plus B whole square or even a minus b whole square is never equal to a square minus b square. I don't know why people keep on making this mistake. It's never equal to this. It's three term. Now remember the rule. If we are going for whole powers, whatever power it is, whatever degree it is, we get one extra term. For whole square, we get 3 terms. For whole cube, we're going to get 4 terms, like that. So this is definitely not true. Same for this. Again, the same logic. This is not true. And in case you don't know the formula, this is x square minus 4 square. That's basically x plus 4 into x minus 4. But this one is true. This is x plus y whole square. That's equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So only third is true. C option is correct. Now 8th question. Y square minus x square upon x square minus y square is equal to. Now see these two. They're almost similar, almost same, just there's a difference in negative sign. So what happens if we take a negative sign common from the numerator? If we take a negative sign common, Then the sign here will change. Plus y square will become minus y square. Minus x square will become plus x square. Upon x square minus y square. So this can be written as negative. Now we can rearrange this. Minus y square plus x square is simply x square minus y square upon x square minus y square. Now can't we cancel them? These are both same, numerator and denominator. We are going to cancel them. What's left? Minus and 1. So this is equal to negative 1. B option is correct. Now ninth question. X square minus 25 is 12 and x plus 5 is 4. What is x minus 5? Let's see. X square equals to 12 plus 25. So that is, here we are getting this as under root 27. I think we are going to use some trick here. Otherwise it will just like drag on. It's very simple. X square minus 5 square is 12. X square minus 5 square is equal to 12. Now this is a square minus b square. We can write this as a plus b into a minus b. So x plus 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 12. We already know that x plus 5 is 4. So 4 multiplied by x minus 5 is equals to 12. So x minus 5 is equal to 12 divided by 4. That's going to be 3. So x minus 5 is 3. B option is correct. Now the 10th question. In this, I think easiest way is just to open this up. So this would be 3x minus 30 equals to 5x plus 100. Now we're going to just change them on one side. The constant on one side, variable on one side. So this can go here. 3x minus 5x equals to 100. This negative 30 will be positive 30. So 3x minus 5x is minus 2x is equals to 130. So x is equal to 130 divided by minus 2. So 130 upon 2 will be 65 and we have a negative sign. So it's negative 65. That's A. So we're going to end this class here and please remember to subscribe also.